We often come across this term 5 C's of credit. What is that? It's basically a system used by lenders so that they can measure the credit worthiness of potential borrowers. Here, lenders will be focusing on 5 characteristics of borrower, and that will help the lender to estimate what is the chance of default if they give loan to this borrower, so that they can also assess the risk of financial loss. If at all that default happens, what will be the financial loss for the bank? So that is the focus. So it's a system used by the lenders to measure the credit worthiness of potential borrowers. But I have not yet revealed what are those 5 C's. Let's see one by one. The 5 C's are basically character, capacity, capital, collateral, and conditions. Let's see one by one. When I say character, it's basically the personal reputation of the borrower, his business reputation, and collectively bankers call it as credit history. When they say credit history, they actually track the record of the earlier debts of the borrower, which are available in credit reports, loan statements. With that, they'll be able to gauge the character and credit history of the borrower. The second C is capacity. That is whether the borrower has got the capacity to repay the loan or not. If it is a loan for business, then whether that business will have adequate cash profits to pay back the loan. And in case of individual, whether that individual will have adequate income to pay back the loan. That's what we call as capacity to repay the loan. And ratios like debt to income ratio, DSCR, FOIR and all used. And this debt to income ratio will be comparing the monthly debt with monthly income, and mostly you will be seeing this in countries outside India. Next, what we have is capital. Capital means the money contributed by the borrower to run his business. If he is contributing more money for his business, it means he is more confident about the business, so there is a scope for less financial risk. And if he is contributing only lesser money, then it means he is not ready to take much of risk, and this could also attract more financial risk for the business. The fourth C is collateral. Collateral is basically the security which is available as a fallback, and it is in addition to the primary security given. Okay, so generally bankers will be insisting on collateral securities, and in general it will be either equal to the loan amount or it can be even greater than the loan amount as well. And the fifth C is condition. These are all the financial conditions, like for what purpose the loan have to be used, what is the loan amount, interest, tenor, and various general terms and conditions. Okay, so these are all the 5 C's that are related to credit.